Drone technology has evolved rapidly over the past decade. What was once a niche consumer hobby has become a trusted technology and
tell our clients that all of their telemetry data, meaning where the drone is flying, is stored securely and not shared with anyone but them.
To government clients, about the data that's captured on the drone itself, where it is downloaded, where it's to be managed and stored.
in developing a new solution for government use, the drone itself does not require activation with DJI and is shipped with custom firmware. This firmware prevents inadvertent or malicious data breaches by ensuring drones and their remote controllers will not pair with off-the-shelf components. A custom DJI Pilot Flight Control app has also been modified to permanently enable local data mode. This feature ensures data security by preventing any connection from the app to DJI servers.
So avoiding automatic firmware updates that can potentially impact our operation
Is important because I think it fits into their overall protocol.
The software before it goes onto the fleets. Once people start utilizing the technology, they want to infuse it as a whole into their organization.
The ability to collect high quality imagery everywhere, anywhere, I think is going to be very attractive for our customers and for government.
With this new government edition, we are addressing many of the challenges that off-the-shelf drone technology has presented, and it will allow governments and enterprises of all sizes and complexities to harness the true power of drone technology.
Introducing the ZenMuse Z30, DJI's most powerful long-range aerial zoom lens, engineered for industrial applications. The camera platform offers up to 30 times optical magnification for detailed inspection without any risk of close proximity flying. Compatibility with DJI's Matrice 600 and M100 gives enterprise users the reliability of a fully integrated system that works right out of the box.
In our inspection on the ground,
the ZenMuse Z30 is fitted with a lightweight telephoto lens that offers 30 times optical zoom, with an additional 6 times digital zoom. DJI's industry-leading gimbal technology, this is kept under control with an accuracy of 0.01 degrees. The ZenMuse Z30 integrates seamlessly with the Matrice 100 quadcopter, as well as the M600 hexacopter, which gives operators up to 35 minutes of flight time. When used with the A3 flight controller, operators can take advantage of intelligent features that take all of the guesswork out of flying.
using the point of interest flight mode, we can set the system to circle the tower at a constant safe radius, keeping the tower in the center frame at all times. The aircraft takes care of the flying for us, so we can see all the details that the drone is capturing. I'm able to capture still images for later analysis or live video for real-time inspections.
The ZenMuse Z30 also includes new Smart Zoom features that are readily available through the DJI Go app.
And the camera zooms right in for you, so you can focus on getting the shot and working with your client waypoints. This way we can set a mission, let the aircraft do the flying, and then we can take a burst of 3 or 5 photos. That way, we don't miss a thing. I can ensure that the clients get all the materials they need and more.
High-quality, long-range imaging makes commercial UAV operations safer, easier, and more efficient. DJI ZenMuse Z30 is a huge step forward for enterprise users in every industry, combining powerful and long-range imaging capability with the ease and accessibility of a fully integrated platform.
The great outdoors, where the elements put people and their machines to the test. Where only the strongest survive. This is the Matrice 200 series, DJI's most rugged, reliable, and versatile commercial aircraft to date. Forged by the hands of our top drone engineers, it wields an array of functionality for enterprise users who demand tools that exceed expectations. If you designed an aircraft to tackle the toughest situations, what would you include? How about rain resistance? Stereo vision systems, dual batteries for longer flights and greater reliability. You'd want modular expansion ports and a compact design that goes wherever work takes you. The M200 hits all of that, and we're just getting started. A newly designed dual battery power system supports up to 35 minutes of flight for maximum airtime with a single gimbal. The M200's powerful propulsion system offers a payload capacity of 2 kilograms, allowing you to fly heavier hardware in unpredictable winds. State-of-the-art aerial imaging is yours for the taking through native support of DJI's industry-standard gimbal technology. Load it up with the ZenMuse X4S, X5S, Z30 zoom camera, or the XT thermal imaging platform. With an onboard FPV camera, pilots have a real-time view in front of the aircraft to navigate confidently through complex environments. When it comes to gathering critical intel, 2 eyes in the sky are better than 1. The Matrice 210 gives you the power of mounting 2 gimbals at once. Maximize efficiency by flying 2 cameras side by side for capturing different types of image data at the same time. You can now mount a camera on top of the aircraft for inspecting vital infrastructure in all those hard-to-reach places. Mother Nature doesn't always want to play nice, so we've added IP43 ingress protection that shields your aircraft from the elements. The M2 batteries provide power redundancy that ensures the self-heating function keeps them operating even in sub-zero temperatures. The M200 isn't just tough, it packs a big brain behind the brawn. With DJI's flight autonomy, powerful internal processors churn data from 20 sensors, with redundant hardware that includes 2 IMUs, 3 barometers, and multiple thermometers that monitor the aircraft's temperature and the temperature of both batteries. An upward-facing infrared sensor recognizes objects above the aircraft. Stereo vision systems detect obstacles down below and in front of the aircraft. The M200's ability to sense and avoid obstacles makes close proximity inspections faster, easier, and safer. The M200 series is our first line of aircraft to feature DJI AirSense, a built-in ADS-B receiver that provides operators with real-time air traffic data. The system gathers information from surrounding aircraft and alerts you when they approach your operation airspace. Level positioning accuracy, thanks to DJI's DRTK GNSS high-precision GPS technology. DRTK also boasts resistance to magnetic interference for commercial flight missions near large metal structures and electromagnetic fields.
What do you need for incredible aerial imaging? A brilliant camera, an aircraft you can trust, and the intelligence to make every shot cinematic. The new Phantom 4 Pro has all this and much more. The Phantom 4 Pro camera has an f2.8 aperture, mechanical shutter, and large 1-inch sensor, coming together to make brighter, more detailed imagery. Record cinematic 4K video at higher bit rates with more advanced compression and a wider dynamic range. 4K 60 frames per second recording gives you stunning, detailed, slow-motion aerial video. The Phantom 4 Pro is as adept at stills as it is with video, capturing every detail at 20 megapixels. Its mechanical shutter eliminates rolling shutter bending. Grab the perfect moment using burst mode. All of this makes the Phantom 4 Pro the most advanced aerial camera ever found in the Phantom series.
The Phantom 4 Pro is now a huge step forward. I'm taking photos
clearly, even in direct sunlight, with the new ultra-bright 5.5-inch monitor that's more than twice as bright as most tablets. Inside is DJI LightBridge technology, It automatically detects interference and switches from 2.4 to 5.8 gigahertz transmission with 3 new intelligent flight modes. Profile tracks your subject horizontally from any side. Spotlight locks the camera on a subject while you fly in almost any direction. Circle swings 360 degrees around the subject. Tap Fly has also been improved, adding reverse tap fly, making it perfect for aerial selfies. Flying the Phantom 4 Pro is even more worry-free. A set of rear visual sensors has been added to existing forward and downward sensors. Combined with new infrared obstacle sensors on its sides, the Phantom 4 Pro has 5 directions of sensing. If image signal is lost, it returns home while dynamically avoiding obstacles, and even flies back along its original flight path until signal is regained. Every minute in the air counts. The new high-capacity battery flight time has been increased to 30 minutes. When it comes to speed, the Phantom 4 Pro is 10 miles per hour faster with full support of its obstacle sensing systems.
Two years ago, DJI teamed up with FLIR, the world leader in innovative imaging systems, to bring thermal data to a new generation of pilots. The partnership gave rise to the ZenMuse XT, a highly sensitive thermal camera that enabled drone operations for everyday firefighters, emergency responders, agronomists, inspectors, and more. To enhance the capabilities of these new pilots, DJI and FLIR are back again to bring you the ZenMuse XT2, the ultimate thermal imaging solution that packs twice the power through a dual sensor configuration, pairing a radiometric thermal sensor with a 4K visual camera. The XT2's dual sensor set
structural components and the environment as well. The dual sensor capability is a game changer. It provides all the data we need to schedule site maintenance in one flight, significantly increasing our productivity.
Working behind the dual sensors is a set of processors that enable the XT2's machine intelligence. This onboard intelligence gives pilots a host of smart features that turn the XT2's vast stream of thermal data into actionable insights, even while the drone is flying. Never miss the heat with Temp Measure, allowing pilots to get detailed temperature data in real time. Quickly interpret this complex thermal information with FLIR MSX technology and isotherm controls, letting you overlay visual data on top of thermal imagery and fine-tune your real-time view.
Our rescue operation.
Maintain safety in challenging flight scenarios. The XT2 automatically locks onto the highest temperature within the frame with Heat Track, or any desired object with Quick Track, giving you the freedom to and fly confidently despite a strong breeze or light rain. Search for inspections of solar panels or saving lives on the ground with rescue teams. The XT2 sets the industry standard through a combination of powerful sensors and onboard machine intelligence to give you meaningful results. Welcome to the next generation of aerial imaging.